Annoyed by the loud bang every time you close your car door? Worry no more with this car shock absorber button. Made from premium silicone, it's just 1 inch long and slightly larger than a button. Simply attach it to the edges of your car doors or hood at the contact points, and it will significantly reduce the pressure on your car's body. With an ultra-strong adhesive, compact design, and no damage to aesthetics, it fits perfectly with all car models. Easy to install or remove in just 1 minute. Hit buy now to enjoy exclusive discounts. Don't forget to follow the Lala School channel for more exciting videos.